Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Legal matter for Punjab and Haryana Court and चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट। स्टूडेंट आपके लिए काफ़ी अच्छी न्यूज़ है। 1 जनवरी से हम अपना बैच स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं जो लर्निंग का बैच है इंग्लिश का, शॉर्ट हैंड का, और हम आपको टीच मिनट पे प्रोवाइड करेंगे लेक्चर। उसकी आपको फ़ीस प्रोवाइड करनी, फ़ीस का स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपको वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा। अगर आप और कुछ जानकारी लेना चाहते हैं तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर सकते हैं, यहाँ हमारा कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर भी है इन केस आप कोई भी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते हैं तो। चलिए हम डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी। @80 to 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। अपील्स बाय स्पेशल लीव अगेंस्ट दोज जजमेंट्स were filed, and in 3 such appeals it was noticed by a 3-judge bench of this court that there was a conflict between Chalpan's case and another 3-judge bench in M. Gopalakrishna Naidu versus State of Madhya Pradesh 1968 SCR 355, and directed that the papers in the 3 appeals be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice for reference to a larger bench. These appeals were thus referred to the Constitution Bench, and all other similar appeals and writ petitions were also placed before the Constitution Bench for disposal. The arguments advanced on behalf of the government servants on the pleasure doctrine and the second proviso to Article 311 (2) were the pleasure doctrine in England is a part of the special prerogative of the Crown and had been inherited by India from England and should therefore be construed strictly against the government and liberally in favor of government servants. The second proviso, which withdraws from government servants the safeguards provided by clause (2) of Article 311, must be also similarly construed, otherwise great hardship would result to government servants, as they could be arbitrarily thrown out of employment and their dependents would be left without any means of subsistence. There are several stages before a government servant can be dismissed or removed or reduced in rank, namely serving upon him of a show cause notice or a charge sheet, giving him inspection of documents, examination of witnesses, arguments, and imposition of penalty. An inquiry starts only after a show cause notice is issued and served. A show cause notice is thus preparatory to the holding of an inquiry, and even if the entire inquiry is dispensed with the giving of a show cause notice and taking of the explanation of the government servant with respect thereto are not excluded. It is not obligatory upon the disciplinary authority to dispense with the whole of the inquiry. Depending upon the circumstances of the case, the disciplinary authority can dispense with only a part of the inquiry. Imposition of penalty is not a part of the inquiry, and once an inquiry is dispensed with, whether in whole or in part, it is obligatory upon the disciplinary authority to give an opportunity to the government servant to make a representation with respect to the penalty proposed to be imposed upon him. Next para. This appeal arises out of a suit filed by the applicant herein for declaration of his title to and possession of a small extent of property from the respondent herein and for injunctions both permanent and mandatory. The applicant and the respondent are adjacent owners of the land, the applicant being the owner of the northern portion and the respondent being the owner of the southern portion. The case of the applicant was that in or about June 1962, the respondent encroached upon a portion of his property by shifting his stone ridge towards the north. As soon as he came to know of the encroachment, he moved the revenue department and requested the officials to effect measurement of the boundary line, and according the boundary line was measured in November 1962. The encroachment made by the respondent was made known to him. As the respondent did not remove the encroachment and surrender the encroached portion to the applicant when requested to do so by him, the applicant instituted the suit. The respondent's case was that the disputed property did not belong either to the applicant or to the respondent, but belonged to the government, and the respondent did not encroach northwards by shifting the stone revetment as alleged by the applicant. The learned district municip found that the disputed portion belonged to the applicant and the respondent had encroached upon an extent of 1.5 cents of land belonging to the applicant by shifting his stone right towards the north in or about June 1962, and therefore the applicant was entitled to a decree declaring his title to the suit property and a permanent injunction restraining the respondent from in any manner interfering with the applicant's possession and enjoyment of the same, and also a mandatory injunction directing the respondent to remove the stone wall put up by him on an extent of 1.5 cents of land and surrender possession of the same to the applicant within a period of 1 month, failing which the applicant would be at liberty to have the said encroachment removed through court at the respondent's expense. Against this judgment and decree of the learned district municip, the respondent preferred an appeal, and the same was disposed of by the learned additional subordinate judge of Salem. The learned additional subordinate judge agreed with the conclusion of the learned district municip that the disputed property belonged to the applicant and the respondent encroached upon an extent of 1.5 cents in the land belonging to the applicant herein. Full stop. स्टूडेंट ये आपके 824 वर्ड्स है, इसको आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको आप मैच कीजिए। और आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे हमारे अगर आपको ज्वाइन नहीं हुआ तो वहाँ पे जाके डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा, वहाँ पे जाके आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, जहाँ पे आपको काफ़ी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है, जैसे कोई आपकी कहीं पे वैकेंसीज निकली हैं या आपका कोई भी स्टूडेंट से रिगार्डिंग कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन आती है मैं आपको प्रोवाइड वहाँ पे करता हूँ। जैसे कल आपकी CSIR कुछ वो है आपका डिपार्टमेंट, उसमें आपकी वैकेंसीज निकली हैं स्टेनोग्राफर की, इसमें आई थिंक 2-3 पोस्ट हैं, लेकिन आप शॉर्ट स्टेनोग्राफी में ये मत समझना कि आपको कि भाई 1000 पोस्ट आएंगी, 5000 पोस्ट आएंगी, 100 पोस्ट आएंगी, आप एक वैकेंसी पे भी सिलेक्शन ले सकते हो। इसलिए एक भी फॉर्म आपको छोड़ना नहीं है, कैसा भी फॉर्म हो आपका और कहीं का भी फॉर्म हो, इसकी खासियत यही होती है। ओके, इसी के साथ हम आज के लिए आपकी डिक्टेशन यहीं पे ही खत्म करते हैं, और आफ्टरनून में आपको पार्लियामेंट की डिक्टेशन भी मिलेगी, प्रोग्रेसिव की डिक्टेशन मिलेगी, और इसके बाद आपको द हिंदू एडिटोरियल की डिक्टेशन तो हम लेते ही लेते हैं, माय फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।